Have data that looks like this. It seems a little crowded. There's a lot of duplicated values. A good way to present it would look like this, where you don't repeat any duplicated values. So I'm going to show you a way how to take this table over here and present it like this without actually deleting any cell value. We're going to use a conditional formatting trick to do this. So simply all we do, we select the table and then we go Alt H, Alt L, and it'll get us to the conditional formatting section. We go new rule with a formula, and we simply put in a formula that where the active cell equals to any cell above itself, then we're going to put this format in place, which is a custom format. We're simply going to put in place 3 semicolons, click OK, and apply, and there you have it. So what you can see now, the two tables are identical, and you can see we haven't deleted any cell. Easy as that.